front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Now you need to scroll again, this time to tap on Manage All next to App Notifications. Before doing anything, select Resend at the top left corner and tap on one of those options to sort your apps. You can see ones with recent notifications, frequent notifications, all apps on your phone, or only apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on blue switches next to apps from which you want to block notifications, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can also go back, click on one of your apps here, and not only block notifications at the top, but also check out all of those options for a chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!